Alright, so with our question 8, part B of the CSEC Mathematics May 2021 past paper. It says the table below shows pairs of values for the function x squared plus x minus 4. So you have x, you have y. On the grid provided on page 25, plot the remaining 4 points and draw the graph of the function y equals x squared plus x minus 4 for x less than or greater than or equal to 4 and less than or equal to 3. Alright, so let me just copy the graph and put it over the next screen. Alright, so we have the graph here. Okay, here now. So we have negative 4, 8. So you can see negative 4, 8. Copied already. See above 4 and beside it is above negative 4 and beside 8. You also have negative 3, 2. With negative 3, 2 is above negative 3 and beside 2 right here. You can see it right here. Then you have negative 2, negative 2, so negative 2, negative 2. It's below negative 2 and beside is negative 2. Below x equal negative 2 and beside y equal negative 2, you see it here. The next one is negative 1, negative 4, so you can see below x equal negative 1 and beside y equal negative 4, right? Now, 0, negative 4 is the next point you must plot. 0, negative 4. So, when x equals 0 and y equals negative 4, right here. Then you have negative 1, negative 2. Wait, hold on there. Positive 1, negative 2. So when x is a positive 1, y a positive 2 is right here. Then 2, 2. X equal 2, y equal 2. So when x equal 2, hold on there. Oh, 1, negative 2. My wrong thing, me plot a while ago, you know. It's 1, negative 2. So x equal 1, y equal negative 2 right here. And then 2, 2 is 2, 2, x equal 2, y equal 2 is right here. You see, 3, 8 at the next point. So x equal 3, y equal 8. Aha! You see that? Yes. Oh yes. Those are all the points. You get a mark if you do that, you know. Right? You get a mark if you do them things there. Then them say, you must draw the graph. Now remember say, you mustn't use no straight line, you know. Don't join them with straight line. Right? If you do so, all kind of straight line, you're wrong. You mustn't do that. Right? Wrong bang for that. You must use a smooth curve. Draw a smooth curve through them. No, my curve won't be so smooth though, you know, but this what can go on. But it must be a smooth curve, right? Now you can see You see this apart? It's on the same level as this, you know. So that means that it dip down a little bit. It dip down and then come up back. Right? Alright, so try if you make a smooth curve between them. Alright, so well, you can say this way, so kind of bend up. Let me draw it a little better. See if we can draw it a little better than this. Oh boy, still bend. Sure. But you get the idea though. It's supposed to be a smooth curve, right? Kind of this pile up here, so you know. Alright. But anyway, the thing is now, you have the curve. And if you label the graph to, you know, what the graph say. Y equal x squared plus x minus 4. So, the graph say y equal x squared plus x minus 4, something like that. Now, write down the maximum or the minimum value of the function. So, this have a minimum value, you don't have no max. Now, you see, we find that minimum value. Oh, my, you can see. You can use your eye on the graph and see the 4 and something. It look like the 4 and 2 more are the small. 2 more are the small thing there. The small square. Each small square, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each small square a 0.2. So look like negative 4.4. About that. My move up the thing accidentally for man. So it look like negative 4.4. So we just write that down, negative 4.4. Although you can calculate still, you know. I get it accurate. But what you must write down is what you see on the graph. Because of the graph if you use. Then, them say, using a ruler, draw the axis of symmetry on the graph on page 25. Right, the axis of symmetry. So, let me see now. You see the axis of symmetry. Symmetry means balance. So the axis of symmetry would be a line where you draw, and you could have fold the graph over the line and have the left and the right same way. Look the same. So the axis of symmetry would have come down through the middle of the graph. Alright? That's the axis of symmetry. And then say, using a ruler, draw the axis of symmetry, and then it's done. Alright. But, as I said before, you see you could have said x equal negative b over 2a, you know. Then I ask if you do it, but I could do it now. So a, based on the equation, a a 1, b a 1, c, well, we now use c, so negative b over 2a. So x equal negative 1 over 2, 1, 2, negative half. Yeah, you can't say a negative half because when you look on this apart, you know, see negative half, negative 1. So you can't see the axis of symmetry occur at negative half. But the thing is now, we go and calculate the middle point. So the negative half, you know, at x equal negative half. When x is negative half, y what? Y equal x squared negative half squared plus negative half plus negative half minus 4. So negative half square, a positive quarter, that's a quarter, minus half minus 4. So quarter minus half is, well, quarter minus half, a negative quarter minus 4, a negative 4 and a quarter. The accurate value would have been negative 4.25. Alright. So if you draw the graph closely and accurately, you'll get closer to negative 4.25. Right? Negative 4.25 are really where the, well, negative half and negative 4.25 is really which part the axis of symmetry happen. Where the minimum point there. But remember, if you draw the graph, even if you calculate it and know so negative 4.25, if the graph show negative 4.3 or negative 4.3, you must write. As long as you say if you use the graph and do it. Negative 4.3. Whatever the graph say, that you must write down. Alright, so that is it for question 8.